So, good evening guys. I have something to tell you that I have to share this my own problem. My grandma was passed away yesterday and I don't have a chance to go back in province because I'm here in the city. I'm here for working or I don't have any plans. So if someone see this my video, so help me to go back into my province and see my grandma for the last time. So that is my grandma. So if you want to help me, just that is my GCash account and PayPal account. So guys, so help me to go back in province to see my grandma for the last time. If you see this video, please, if you have a good heart, thank you. I'm Oliver Monres Tomas.